Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, enroll the list of all apps and go to Settings. Then find and select Wallpaper and Style and click on Change Wallpaper. So as you can see, you can pick wallpaper from Featured Album. Let me go back here. You can choose some photo from your own gallery. You can also select some graphical or color wallpaper. As for your lock screen, you can also choose something from wallpaper services. So, as for lock screen, let me choose one from dynamic wallpapers. It can be, for example, animals. Tap to download and just wait till it's done. Well, that's it. As you can see, it has been applied to lock screen. Now we can go back and select some home screen picture. For example, this one. I just unmarked lock screen as we just set this animal wallpaper. Tap on next. Click on done. And let's just take a look. As you can see, your home screen has been changed, and also on your lock screen you will be able to see different animals. So with every tap, you can see different picture. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.